We are the Group 5 and we will tackle about Kaoru Ishikawa.
Kaoru Ishikawa was a Japanese professor, advisor, and motivator. He is best known for the development concept of fishbone, which is also known as Ishikawa diagram. In 1939, Kaoru Ishikawa obtained his master's degree in applied chemistry. In 1960, he obtained his doctorate in chemical engineering with a doctoral thesis on sampling coal, both in the University of Tokyo. After he had completed his studies, Kaoru Ishikawa served the Navy in 1939 to 1941, then joined the Nissan Liquid Fuel Company. In the summer of 1945, he provided another groundbreaking development and presented his first concept of fishbone diagram, which is a problem-solving model that helps determine root causes of problems.
Mr. Ishikawa's three major contributions to quality revolution are as follows. The fishbone diagram clusters the roadblocks together to identify which factors have the greatest impact. Second is the emphasis on internal customer. It is a voluntary group of people who meet to identify, analyze, and resolve work-related issues that works best for them. And lastly, the implementation of quality circles or the over-reliance on specialists would limit the scope of improvement for all the employees and their time as well.
Company-wide quality. Ishikawa highlights that the concept of internal customers and company-wide quality requires the involvement of all the top management to the frontline workers. Thus, here are the top 5 benefits of using the approach. First, operation cost reduction. Second, communication quality. Third, customer satisfaction. Fourth, dynamic and continuous improvement. And fifth, efficiency and improvement. 7 basic quality tools. He believes that 90% of the problems in the factory could be solved with just these simple tools: histograms, cause and effect diagrams, check sheets, Pareto diagrams, graphs, control charts, and scatter diagrams. These tools are used to identify and fix issues related to products or process quality.
Kaoru Ishikawa's contributions in the area of quality control and improvement remains unquestioned. Through the use of the fishbone diagram, users are able to see all possible causes of a result and find the root of process imperfections. In manufacturing, the fishbone diagram is used heavily as a means of identifying strategic solutions for quality-related problems. In a study conducted by Hekmat Pana 2011, the fishbone diagram was used to demonstrate how to relate potential causes of a major presenting problem in Sipahan Oil Company. The findings implied that the application of the fishbone diagram has reduced the scraps from 50,000 to 5,000 ppm and has resulted in a 0.92% decrease of the oil waste.
In healthcare, the fishbone diagram was used to demonstrate how to relate potential causes of a major presenting problem in a clinical setting. The results of the study conducted by Wong showed that the fishbone diagram, annotated with references to relevant medical cases and literature, can be continually updated and can assist memory and retrieval of relevant medical cases and literature. In general-purpose technology, the fishbone diagram is used as a comprehensive theoretical framework to represent and analyze the sources of innovation. The findings of the study conducted by Kuchiya showed that the fishbone diagram seems to be an appropriate and general technique of graphical representation to explore and categorize clearly and simply the potential root causes of the evolution of technological innovations for an appropriate management of technology.
One of the quality quote that Kaoru Ishikawa said was, in management, the first concern of the company is the happiness of people who are connected with it. If the people do not feel happy and cannot be made happy, that company does not deserve to exist.
In my own opinion, Mr. Ishikawa's greatest contribution to quality revolution is the fishbone diagram, as it is one of the most common techniques in doing a cause and effect.
My take would be that the quality management and the tools that Ishikawa has discovered had made a huge impact not only to the business sectors, but also to the different sectors who had benefited his quality strategy, such as healthcare and manufacturing.
The fishbone diagram is a simple, unique, and effective tool that we, as students, continue to practice in our marketing management studies because it is quite useful in topics such as social entrepreneurship.
My takeaway from this activity is that with great power comes great responsibility. The advent of the quality guru's contribution to quality revolution should remind us of the power of knowledge and actions.
With Kaoru Ishikawa, I've learned that people or the workers or the employees of the company should be treated as an investment more than just a liability, because they are the ones that present the company and they are held responsible for the success and the future of it.